everyone, and welcome back to Ordinary Stories. Today, I want to share a little something that's been bubbling in my heart. A philosophy that's not grand or revolutionary, but rather, as the channel name suggests, quite ordinary. It's a philosophy born from the everyday, the quiet moments, and the gentle wisdom of a book that found its way into my hands when I least expected it. You know how sometimes life feels like a constant climb, always reaching for the next peak, the next achievement, the next shiny thing that promises happiness. I used to be caught in that relentless pursuit, convinced that joy was a destination, a reward waiting at the end of a long, arduous journey. But then, exhaustion crept in. The constant striving felt less like progress and more like treading water. It was during one of these moments of quiet fatigue that I stumbled upon a summary of the little book of Hugo, Danish Secrets to Happy Living by Meek Viking. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Hugo? Isn't that just about cozy blankets and candles? And yes, it is about those things. But it's so much more. It's about an entire way of being. The book isn't about grand gestures or massive transformations. Instead, it gently invites us to find joy in the present, in the simple, often overlooked moments. It's about creating an atmosphere of warmth, comfort, and contentment. It's about being truly present with loved ones, enjoying a cup of tea, or the soft glow of a lamp on a rainy afternoon. It's about taking a pause. This idea, this Hugo philosophy, resonated deeply with my tired soul. It wasn't about quitting my ambitions or ignoring challenges. It was about recognizing that the journey itself could be imbued with moments of profound peace and happiness, regardless of the destination. It was about slowing down enough to actually feel those moments. I started small. Instead of rushing through my morning coffee, I began to savor it. Sitting by the window, watching the world wake up. Instead of constantly checking my phone during dinner, I made an effort to truly listen to my family, to engage in the laughter and conversation. I lit candles not just for special occasions, but simply because their soft flicker brought a sense of calm to my space. And you know what? It started to change things. The anxiety, the feeling of always needing to do more began to recede. I found myself appreciating the quiet moments of connection, the warmth of a homemade meal, the comfort of a good book on a chilly evening. It wasn't about ignoring difficulties of life, it was about building a sanctuary within them. It's like this. We are all walking through a forest. Some paths are clear, some are thorny. We are often so focused on getting to the other side that we miss the dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves, the scent of the pine, the sound of a distant bird. Hugo, for me, is about noticing those things, about finding beauty and peace even amidst a journey. So, my friends, my ordinary story for today is this. Perhaps happiness isn't a destination we arrive at, but a companion we invite along the way. Perhaps the most profound wisdom can be found not in the extraordinary, but in the gentle art of savoring the ordinary. What little moments of Hugo will you invite in your life today? Let me know in the comments below.